Bring them hoes out. Red life, bring them poles out.
Before I start this video, I want to say I am doing a $100 giveaway. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give 2 people $50 so I can give two people can have a chance to win. So just like, comment, and subscribe, and comment when you subscribe, and I'm gonna pick a winner. Gang.
I've been on top for a while.
Alright, I'm low-key beefing right now. Went to a car wash, didn't clean my car. So I'm back at another car wash. But I'm with gang, hold up. Didn't clean my car at all. Gang, gang. Bristol in there getting her shit washed. So when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm giving 2 people $50. And I'm also giving them a PNC shirt. That's me and the gang's brand. So you get 2 prizes once I hit 100 subscribers. I'm gonna pick 2 winners. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and definitely comment. Let's get it. Definitely. You got done cleaning the whips.
No, you won't get them tomorrow.
Bristol. Bristol. Gang, gang. Just got done cleaning the whips. About to wax her up. Road running shit. Yeah. Today we hosting our own car meet. We ain't pulling up to nobody's car meet no more. We gonna start hosting our own shit. Nigga gonna start pulling up to our shit. Straight like that. Our own shit. Ooh, boy pulling up clean. Buzz down. I'm gonna be like you when I grow up. Motherfucker clean as shit. Oh, his shit. Nah, his shit Jolly Bodine. Gang, 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 gang.
Pressure. Get that cat in shit.
Ooh.
Hey, cut that shit. Cut that shit, bitch.
Where window down? Shit, I got a chicken on my beard and shit. We're not just an all Crown Vic club. We have a Volkswagen and we have a Ford. I don't know what type of Ford Tay got, but we're just not an all Crown Vic club. A lot of us do have Crown Vics though, but we're not an all Crown Vic club. So if you are in the Maryland area and you do want to join us and you want to join the car club, we take anybody. We take any car. We don't discriminate on anything. And we like linking up with other clubs. So if you are other club and you do want to link up with us, DM the car page. I'm gonna put the Instagram either in one of these corners. And yeah, just hit the gang and we gonna link up. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get, where we going? We going somewhere.
Okay, man. Come and check out the T-shirt store, baby.
Yes,
T-shirt store 24/7. Look at that. Man.
So what you working with?
Okay, this is a free giveaway.
This what you winning with the giveaway. One of these shirts, paid and certified.
2 winners.
2 winners. Yes, sir. The man right here behind the magic. Let's get it. Everybody just finished washing the cars. Now it's time to pull out.
Hey, hey.
I fucked up. Got here. We just cutting up. 392. Whole lot of gang shit. Ooh, niggas done popped out in that shit. That shit. Ooh, yes sir. This motherfucker's pressure. Got that shit out here. Let them know, Tay.
Let's get it. Roll,
Get it. Yes, sir. Oh, they got a loud pack. Man, I tell you, they out here with that pressure. They out here with that shit. Man, they got that shit out here. What? Yes, sir. They got that shit. We got that shit.
We did this shit.
We just started with a couple bigs.
Now look at this.
They got that shit out here, you know? Sir, got the boys out here. Big Nation. Vic Pressure. Hey, young, when I tell you I didn't think this shit was gonna pop out like this, golly. Motherfucker, we out here about to shut everything down. The whole city is shutting it down. This shit's about to get crazy. I ain't lying. Look at that. We out here. Out here. Goodness. It's gonna be a movie. So it started off all good. Then everybody got split up. Only a couple people stayed with us, but we're still on our way to that meet, bro. I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Let's get it to the spot. Yes, sir. Eli, say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Niggas got fucking lost and shit. Look at this motherfucker. Golly. That bitch is hard. Bro, that shit blew me. Look at this motherfucker. Sheesh. Sir, gang gang. Sheesh. It's a family in that motherfucker. 4.6 boys. She wanna take pictures in front of cars. You gotta pay for these, Becky. Lightning, man. Hey, this your jump, bro?
Yeah.
This motherfucker hard. Yes, sir. Got the whips out this motherfucker, all big. Damn.
Oh, hey, that's right. I like that. Oh, man, sat down. Hey, no, get back up there.
OG had to sit his ass down off that one.
Get back up there. Hey, look, this joke got spice. He said no.
God. You gonna pop them bitches. He tripping. Ooh, this nigga almost killed me, cuz.
I don't even know where he at no more. Shit. You might come out. Put it down.
No. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Hey, this nigga tripping.
Time shaking.
Look at the white people. We got. Hey, we got the white people. He said, let me try that. Ooh, that motherfucker hard. That be hard.
Bro,
He bites
like Luke Cage.
Hey, Mo. That's warm, right? He said next. Hey, Mo. This is the loud challenge. Hey, your drink loud, bro? Your drink loud?
Hell yeah, this was louder than mine.
It's mine.
Look.
Man, everybody, cuz.
Hold on. Hey, let me. Hold on, I'm out here.
You want the speakers or you just want the mufflers?
The muffler. Let me hear the muffler. God damn. Oh, hold on. Okay, let's get it. Hey, go ahead, hit it one more time, bro. Oh my. One time's over. Police sound like the police about to come out this bitch, so everybody skedaddling. All the Vicks, all the cars, everybody's leaving. Oh, I thought that was my car over there. Everybody leaving. Sound like we about to go to a cookout. I don't know who cookout this is. I don't think we about to stay long, but yeah, that was fun. That was lit. Them loud pack boys, that like, yeah, messed up my eardrums. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all with whatever we do next. Blocking traffic. We got boys blocking traffic. We riding out again. Our boys blocking traffic. Look at them coming. They coming. It's lit. Look. Yeah, it's lit, man. I don't think the day's over. I'm gonna wait and see. I just cooked your boy in that motherfucking Infinity. He ain't gonna admit it, but I just cooked him. Oh, shit. Hey, Crystal, for real. I'm in this joint here. This joint was all over the place. I'm about to go in the house. My head hurt. I'm hungry. Gotta piss. It was a long day. It was lit though. It was fun. Got some good food. Hope y'all enjoy. Oh shit. Oops. King shit.